The 41 question from the exercise of H.C. Verma, topic kinematics. And here it is said that a boy is standing on a long railroad. So here this is a long railroad, or this is the platform, okay? And this particular platform is accelerating with 1 meter per second square, and a boy is standing on it. Okay, so height of the ball is negligible, or you can consider the height also. Now, if the boy throws a ball straight upward, and the projection velocity in vertical direction is 9.8, so the ball is thrown 9.8 meter per second. Okay, now this velocity of the ball, here you can see that the acceleration of the acceleration of boy with respect to the platform is 0, because both are having the same acceleration, or boy is standing on the platform. Okay, while the velocity of ball is given with respect to platform. So the velocity of ball with respect to platform is 9.8 meter per second in the y direction. So I will write j cap here. Okay, and in x direction, platform and the ball, they are having same velocity. Okay, but once the ball is being thrown, how far behind it will fall? So let us say I will consider the all motion with respect to platform itself. So the ball will go up and come down. It will take how much time? So we know what is time of flight. So time of flight is given by 2u by g, that is 2 into 9.8 upon 9.8, 2 seconds. So this ball will go up and come down in 2 seconds. But during this time, the platform and the boy will move some distance because they are accelerating. So I can say the distance moved by boy or the platform or the railroad will be equal to ut plus half at square, ut plus half at square, because they are accelerating. But we know that the initial velocity of the ball with respect to platform is 0. So it is 0 plus half into the acceleration. So acceleration is 1 into t square. How much is the time? 2 ka square will be 4. 2 2s are 4. So the distance moved by the platform is 2 meter. So therefore the ball will fall 2 meter behind the boy. This is boy. Okay, thank you.